Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Elpy. This Elpy is the new ransomware that has been discovered recently. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you how this ransomware behaves, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you recover the data. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all sorts of other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Elpy ransomware may be very easily injected into the device, and so it is called like that because it encrypts the data and appends this Elpy extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, and the ransom note tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of Cleaner Antivirus. It is powerful to detect this ransomware. Get Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So through this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it has been successfully installed, start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on the Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. As you see, some threats have already been found. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. You can add certain folders, and the contents of this folder will be protected from ransomware attacks in the future. So wait until the scanning has been accomplished, and you can upgrade to Premium to request trial. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video. It will help you to give you more information about this ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data.